In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Google Drive not playing videos issues. By the end, you'll be able to play your videos in Google Drive reliably without errors or endless loading. First, fix video not playing in Google Drive. We'll move through practical checks in order, so follow along on your screen. Refresh the page. On the video preview page, click the reload button in your browser or press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. If the video was stuck or the session expired, a simple refresh often fixes it. Check internet connection. Make sure you're connected and the connection is stable. If the page is slow or other sites aren't loading, reconnect to Wi-Fi or switch networks. Then come back to the Drive tab and try playing the video again. Try another browser. Copy the Google Drive link. I'll open a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, or Safari and paste the link there. Sign in if prompted and try play again. This helps rule out browser-specific issues. Clear cache and cookies. In your browser, open settings, then privacy and security, then clear browsing data. Choose a time range like all time, select cookies and site data and cached images and files, and clear them. Note that clearing cookies will sign you out of websites. That's normal. Once done, close and reopen the browser, sign back into Google Drive, and test the video. Disable extensions, especially AdBlock or VPN. In Chrome, go to the menu, then Extensions, then Manage Extensions, and toggle off ad blockers, privacy tools, or VPN/proxy extensions. Reload the Drive tab and try playing the video again. If it works now, or re-enable extensions one by one to find the culprit. Now, video fixes. These steps focus on the file itself and how Drive processes it. Wait for video processing for new uploads. If you just uploaded the video, Drive may still be processing it for web playback. Look for the processing message on the preview page. Give it a few minutes, then refresh and try again. Large or high-resolution files can take longer. Download video and play locally. Click the three dots in the top right of the video preview or right-click the file in Drive, choose Download, and open it with your computer's media player. If it doesn't play locally, the file may be corrupted and needs to be replaced or re-exported. If it plays fine locally but not in Drive, continue. Convert video to MP4 with H.264. Google Drive plays best with MP4 video using the H.264 video codec and AAC audio. If your file is in another format like MKV, MOV with unsupported codecs, or AVI, convert it to MP4 H.264 and AAC, then re-upload to Drive. After uploading, wait for processing to complete, refresh, and test playback again. Now, quick fixes. These help isolate account or profile issues quickly. Open in incognito mode. In your browser, open a new incognito or private window, paste your Google Drive link, sign in if needed, and try playing the video. Incognito runs without most extensions or cached data, so if it works here, the issue is likely with your normal browsing profile or extensions. Log out, then log in again. In Google Drive, click your profile picture, choose sign out, then sign back in with your Google account. Return to the video and play it again. This resets your session and permissions. Update browser. In Chrome, click the three dots. Go to Help, then About Google Chrome. Wait for updates to install, then click Relaunch. After the browser restarts, open Google Drive and test the video. Keeping the browser current prevents playback issues caused by outdated components. At this point, your Google Drive videos should play normally without errors or infinite loading. If the issue persists, repeat the steps to confirm processing is complete and the file is an MP4 H.264 with AAC, and keep extensions disabled while testing. Your Google Drive video playback is now fixed and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.